Wait. Hi guys! Hey, it's the end of the dog food challenge and I totally lost because I didn't lose. I am not 135 pounds. In fact, I'm 139 pounds. But I just want to show you, I don't know for sure, but I think I gained some muscle instead. I'm not exactly sure, but anyway, here's I said I would eat a can of Mighty Dog. So here's the, well, wait, Lizzie, I was supposed to eat that. What? No, Lizzie, what? Lizzie, what are you doing? No. Oh dear. Here I went out and I bought the dog food and it's been stolen. Stolen by a dog. Can you believe that? Huh. Well, I guess it's the thought that counted, right? Maybe next time. See you guys later. Thanks, Lizzie. You're the best.